I don't learn shit from my wins. I don't learn anything except they feel good.
Uh-huh. But even the flip side of that is true as well, right? I was having this conversation with someone the other day. Like, a lot of people that I know, and, you know, us, myself included, like, everyone has family problems, right? Everyone has
I'll talk
issues.
to my dad.
Yeah, exactly. And we had bouts of months or years where the same thing happened with us as well.
Of course.
But I think, honest to God, just like the cancer, just like things that all seem like this is the end of the world, how God, why me? It's just like you're growing thicker skin and not saying my parents did, but just any kind of rejection or any kind of like, you know, problems that I had as a child growing up, whatever it is, that just made me, whenever I got into the real world and people started telling me to, you know,
So you suck.
fuck off
That's
whenever
right.
I was asking them for business.
That's right.
Oh, yeah, okay, cool. On to the next one. Or most people that are coddled and you know, taken care of from childhood with a silver spoon in their mouth all the way to when they graduate college, and all of a sudden they go out there and the real world hits them in the face. So that's why when I tell people, I get on a lot of my YouTube videos or Instagrams, people message me, I'm dealing with these family problems, I'm dealing with problems with whatever, my spouse, and it's just like, these, you have to reframe them, just like I talked about the happiness advantage. You kind of got to reframe them like, this is just preparing me for
What's next?
What's next? What's the gentleman that does the crazy like athlete stuff? He's like he does all the long run marathons.
Goggins?
Yeah,
Dude, that dude's a beast.
He talks about like the reason why he runs 30 miles when he wakes up in the morning is not for the 30 miles when he wakes up in the morning. It's so that when he gets a call at 3 a.m. that his mom passed away, he's like there and rock solid. It's just callous. That's essentially what it is.
He's prepared for anything.
Exactly.
Here's the thing that I've learned in my short term on this earth. I don't learn shit from my wins. I don't learn anything except they feel good.
Uh-huh.
All the losses, all the heartache, all the pain is where all the growth happens. I talked to my wife about it this morning. Like, I'm like, babe, I go, nothing is going to come from winning every single fight. Like, and you see those fighters, like actual fighters that do that, they get smoked their last couple of fights.
Complacent.
They're complacent, and then they got broke. They've never been broke before. Like, there's so much that goes into that, which I absolutely love. Like, so yeah, to your point, if you have a bad childhood, you use it as fuel.
Yeah.
If you have a good childhood, like, you still kind of use it as fuel. So like, that's the thing. Like, there's so many different angles you can go, which is again why I love real estate.